Guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be plane spotting at St. Barthélemy. Okay, so we're just gonna get on this little ledge here. Oh hey, look, it's been here already. Jeez. Alright, did not expect that this soon. Alright, there goes Betty Airlines taxiing down the taxiway. It's pretty cool. I believe that is a DCH-6, if I believe. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. Okay, it's just gonna go by. By the way, tell me what you guys think of the PTFS movies we do. Anyway, as you can see, there goes Betty Airlines down the runway. I mean, taxiway. No, I meant today. Whoa, that scared me. Holy. Alright, let's check back on Betty Airlines. St. Barthélemy. Alright, let's check back on Betty Airlines. Alright. They're lining up with the runway here. Okay. I believe they may have takeoff clearance in a little bit. Yeah, they got takeoff clearance. There goes Betty Airlines down the runway. That's a beautiful plane, by the way. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Maybe a fighter jet? Maybe? Okay, well, let's go into the ATC tower. That's not a door. That's not a door either. Ugh, I suck at finding doors. Alright. Let's check around. Okay, I don't see. Is that Lufthansa? Lufthansa? Why is it heading toward the water? What in the first crash of the day? Did not expect that this soon, but oh my god, that's crazy. I don't know what to say about that. I hope all the passengers are okay. Same thing with the pilots. Okay, let's check around. I like that lighthouse in the back. That's pretty cool. Ooh, F-14. Wait, is that an F-14? Yeah, that's an F-14. Oh yeah, that's cool. I think that's an F-14. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. Still, that looks like an F-14. Okay, let's move over to here. Okay. Oh, Betty Airlines coming in for a landing. Let's see this landing. Okay, that was bouncy and hard landing. At least they landed and no one died like that Lufthansa back there. What? Wait. Why is there an F-14? Why is there an F-14 on the runway? Oh gosh, I hope they don't collide. Did they? Okay, no, they didn't. Good. Alright, there goes Betty Airlines going through the backtrack. F-14's in the middle of the taxiway. Hope it moves. Well, this is pretty cool. Alright, here comes back Betty Airlines. If we can see any others come in. Anyway. Okay, here comes Betty Airlines coming back down the runway. Going to go taxi at one of these gates. Alright. Let's just wait. I hope it's going back to the gate, but it's not them. Alright, well, it's pretty good alignment. I'll probably fly better than almost. I mean, the landing sucked, but not that bad. Could be worse, definitely. Alright, and then there goes Betty Airline to do his name. Alright, there's the F-14 right there. See if we can find... Oh, look, oranges. Not... I guess St. Barthélemy isn't that popular today. Let's check out tomorrow, maybe. Okay, wind direction 5 knots. Wind direction 333. Pincher. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. This is the model. Alright, let's check outside. Ooh, Learjet. Learjet. Ooh, I love that red. That's a really good red. I really like that red. That red. Kind of reminds me of Trump Air. If you guys know what Trump Air is, you'll know what I'm talking about. That really does look like Trump Air, though. Not gonna lie. Alright, well, there it goes, right up the runway. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's keep looking. They're aligning with the runway. What is that F-14 doing? What the heck? He missed the Learjet. Jeez. What is this F-14 doing? I believe the Bombardier Learjet may... Okay, yeah, it has takeoff clearance. It has takeoff clearance. There it goes. Oh, look, F-14 back there. There's West TN. Stand up. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Alright, well, there goes the Learjet off into the sky. It'll probably be back soon. I mean, they normally just circle around the island, looking at what's going on, looking at all the ruins, you know. See? They're turning back right now. Look. Yeah. Huge example of what I mean. Well, see what else we can find. Oh, there's it. Ooh, that's fast. That's a bouncy landing, jeez. Oh, second crash of the day. Oh, look, Belta. Oh, F4, I didn't even see that there. Well, I guess they crashed as their pilot. Alright, there's Belta connection. See what these guys are doing. That was a mute. That's a little fast. She missed the entire runway. What are they doing? Where are they going? Where are they going? What is going on? Belta, you have to follow the instructions. You know what? They made it past the hill. I honestly don't care. It's not my problem. It's really not my problem. Ooh, Britain Airways. Britain Airways. That's cool. Can you guys please tell me what plane that is in the comments? Is it a Bombardier? Is it... Like, what is it? I think the CRJ 700, I think it is. Maybe that's the number? I may be wrong. But yeah, that's what it looks like it is. Alright, they're lining up with the runway. Those engines don't look too good. Alright, they're waiting for takeoff clearance. Alright. Alright. Do they have takeoff clearance yet? Oh, looks like they're checking the landing gear and stuff. Okay, I believe they have takeoff clearance now. They should be moving. Yep. There they go. Down the window. Yeah, they'll probably be back. Like I said, they don't really go that far. They just, oh, look, F4 Phantom. It's back after a crash. Alright, well, let's focus on this brand new race. Wherever it went. Dang it, I lost it. See my binoculars. Oh, it's back. There it is. Yep. Wait, am I seeing that, or is that smoke coming out of the engines? I'm a bit worried. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's just I'm probably seeing things. Alright, they're coming in for a landing. What? Why are they not putting down their window? That's oh shoot. Oh my gosh. That was a big impact. What's going on? Why are the engines smoking? What is this? Oh, there's Delta. Should I be concerned? Anyway, guys, this is Phone VR signing off. And thanks to everyone who was in these things. And guys, go sub to Western Highlights. Goodbye.